Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna learn how to create a logo by using AI website. For example, you have a small business or you are a content creator or you just need a logo randomly. Okay, no problem. I'm here to help you. This is very quick and easiest thing. The first step is to sign or log into your account in this website. Or if you don't have any account yet, don't worry. The sign up process is quick and very easy. You just open a browser and search here ideogram.ai. Then you can see here the link here. Just click on it. Okay, then you can see the option here, continue with Google. Just click on it. Then you just select any Gmail on your account. Okay, then continue. You can just check mark it. Okay, choose a different username. For example, I just put on name here. Okay, then you can see the actual website interface here, and you can show a box here and just put on your logo description. For example, I just put my requirements here for my clothing shop. So I start here, make a logo for my cloth shop, and the shop name is MX. Okay, then just magic prompt option on. Okay. Then you just to randomly select different type of option here. Okay, then generate. And you just wait 13 or 40 seconds and you can see the result here. And honestly say that I don't ever seen any other website for the perfect result. And the download process is very easy. Just open image in a new tab and save image as your destination, and the image quality is very outstanding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, and if you need more tips and tutorials, stay with me.